Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip. What we have for sale here is a Jhon Deere 300D. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of the machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second clip, and then we'll run it in the third clip. Price on a new machine like this is about $65,000 the way it's equipped. This machine currently has 4,385 hours out there. As far as manufacturers go, Jhon Deere is ubiquitous when it comes to backhoes, but they got a solid reputation in the manufacturing of construction and agricultural equipment. This machine weighs about 12,500 pounds. The widest point is actually the tires at 7.5 foot. The highest point is the top of this cab right there at 8 foot 8 inches. The transportation length is about 23 feet. As far as options go, this machine has got an extend-a-hoe. It is a four-wheel drive machine. It's got a Jhon Deere 310D horsepower engine. It's about a 63 horsepower engine. It's mechanically sound. There's no leaks. Everything on this machine works. Transmission runs through all the gears without hesitation. Top speed is about 20 miles an hour. Brakes stop it on a dime. The tires, as you can see here, are, I don't know, maybe about 15-20% all the way around. There's no cuts. Actually, these tires in the front here are about 85%. The hydraulics are strong. There's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. The pins and the bushings are relatively tight. There's very little deflection. See, there's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. This bucket's got a little bit of it's got a smooth edge on it. We're going to talk about the specs in the next clip.